Hello guys, so today we are learning about the high level design. So for this, let's take an example. There is a restaurant and you have one chef. He serves very well and the food is very good. So after some time, uh, there are many customers are in the queue and more people are liking it, so your restaurant is growing. So first thing that you can do is increase the payment of the chef and the working timing of the chef. And then another thing is that you know that at the time of night there are less customers, so you can do is that pre-processing. So second thing is like making base for the pizza or making dough ready, something that can be pre-processed. And then third thing, that suppose your that chef got sick or may have to take and leave, so we will have a master and slave model come into the picture here. So how it works that you will appoint a chef at the point of that particular chef, and after a particular time you will pay him, and when the main master came, the slave will leave. And fourth thing you can do is horizontal scaling. So instead of one chef you can have more chefs in your restaurant. So it will like horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling was about to increasing the payment, increasing the resource, but horizontal is making another copy or adding another copy, that we can call it horizontally scaling. And then fifth things come into the picture is microservice architecture. Like you have everything inside a particular restaurant, but there may be condition that it fails, and if it fails everything will slash. So sixth thing that comes into the picture is distributed system. Like you can have so many restaurants, like restaurant A, restaurant B and restaurant C, and these three are connected, and if one fails by any condition, the offline customers will affect, but the online customer can take order from the another franchisees of our restaurant. And now this is happening that you are getting order and you are placing it to the one restaurant, two and three, but there are conditions that how you will allot the restaurant, like how you will make sure that you are distributing the request to a restaurant and which has only a few. Like if a restaurant gives 10 requests and another get one and another get nothing, then the load will be not balanced. So there comes in a picture our load balancer, and they will make sure that request goes to the restaurant which has less crowd. And then decoupling thing, like you have a delivery agent, he don't need to know that what are prepared, who is preparing. He just need to know the place where he has to take the order and where he has to place. So decoupling things make it easier, and uh, not everyone needs to don't know about each other. That's the thing. Keep things decoupled from each other. They don't need to know about everything. And that's how our system works, and there are more extensibles that come into the picture. And let's talk about the most important topic, that is horizontal and vertical scaling. So in horizontal scaling and vertical scaling was like adding more resource. You have 10 requests, you have 10 GB RAM, but on 12 requests come you can add 2 GB RAM also, and then it will be okay. But there are a limit, like you can't exceed to it 1 terabyte or something, that will ruin everything.